Can I make my own body scrub at home?
Hello there. Are you interested in creating your own body scrub at home? It's a great way to pamper your skin with natural ingredients, save money, and reduce plastic waste from packaging. Today, we're going to guide you through making your own DIY body scrub. Let's get started.
Why make your own body scrub?
Making your own body scrub has many advantages. First, you have complete control over the ingredients. You can avoid harsh chemicals or ingredients you're allergic to, and instead choose natural and nourishing ingredients. Second, it's often cheaper than buying commercially produced scrubs. Lastly, making your own body scrub can be a fun project and a great gift idea for friends and family.
What do you need?
To make your own body scrub, you'll need the following ingredients. A base. This can be white or brown sugar, sea salt, or ground coffee. An oil. Common choices include coconut oil, olive oil, or almond oil. Extras. These can include essential oils for fragrance, or extra nourishing ingredients like honey or oatmeal. You'll also need a bowl to mix your ingredients in, and a container to store your scrub.
How to make your body scrub?
First, mix 2 parts base to 1 part oil in your bowl. You can adjust this ratio to achieve your desired scrub consistency. For instance, if you want a more abrasive scrub, add more base. If you prefer a more moisturizing scrub, add more oil. Next, add in your extras. If you're using essential oils, a few drops will suffice. If you're using honey or oatmeal, a tablespoon or so should be plenty. Mix all the ingredients together until well combined. Pour your body scrub into your container, and voila! You have made your own body scrub.
How to use your body scrub?
Apply your homemade body scrub to wet skin in the shower or bath. Rub in a circular motion for best results. This will help to slough off dead skin cells and improve circulation. After scrubbing, rinse off with warm water. Your skin should feel soft, smooth, and nourished. Making your own body scrub at home is not only fun, but also beneficial for your skin and the environment. So why not give it a try? We hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, the best part about homemade body scrubs is that you can tailor them to your skin's needs. Enjoy the process and happy scrubbing!